Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today I got a couple of free watch faces that I want you guys to check out. Now, I don't know how new this developer is, but these watch faces that we're going to check out today are going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store for a limited time only. So it may end tomorrow on Sunday at midnight, possibly. So now download these watch faces ASAP. Cool? Now, the name of the watch face is called Ruby Titanium Premium. It's a nice looking analog watch face. In the AOD mode, it's going to be dimmed down. You're going to get the same look, the same design. But once the watch face is on, I do like what's happening around the bezel of the watch. I thought it was a nice, fun look, along with the analog hands that I think really stands out for a premium look. And the numbers that's in the background gives it a fun look as well, right? A everyday wear, a dress down wear for an analog watch face. Now, the only thing you get so far as interaction is he gives you 4 shortcuts. So if you tap in all 4 areas, like up at the top, of course, on the side and down at the bottom, you can extract or set up your different favorites that you would like to have on this watch face, which I thought was super cool. Now, you can't change the color. What you see is what you get. The neon looking colors of the numbers do look nice and makes the watch face stand out, especially with this black background. But at the end of the day, it's all about you. What did you think about this particular watch face? Don't go anywhere, because we got one more coming up, and it's coming up. Watch face number 2 is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Another fun dress down watch face for everyday wear. Now, remember, this is free for the taking for a limited time only. So if you like this watch face, make sure you download it ASAP. Now, the name of the watch face is called Racer Extreme. I like it because it's a unique, different, fun dress down watch face. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same layout and design. It's going to look awesome in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. Now, I thought this was definitely a fun, nice watch face worthy of a download. If you look up at the top, you will get information on your goal completed. The dial to your left is going to give you info on your month. And you come all the way down, you're going to get your battery info. It's a nice battery gauge as well. Now, I do like the window to the right because it's going to give you your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. Also, the day of the week, calories burned, your step info, and miles walked or ran. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you got a plus sign here. Now, if you tap on all your pluses, that's going to allow you to set 4 favorites, which I thought was nice. The watch face is interactive, so if you tap in certain places, you can extract the different information to go into so far as applications are concerned. So I thought it was a good look, especially free for right now, and it offers the features and functions that it does. Not bad. If I double tap, I can dim it down, which I like the dim down look a lot better. I thought it was awesome. I thought the developer did an awesome job on this watch face. But the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And let me know, are you going to download these 2? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.